Okie doke, here we go. Where's my Miranda? Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, she got a nice change.
Do your plank again. Smooth rhythm. Wait for it. Alright. That's it. Now do a circle around Marguerite. Just, yeah, that's the way. Reorganise it. And then go to your double cross. Now you need to think a little forward past the gate. Okay, countering now, legs. Not too much though. Good, soft arms. Let the jump come to you. Come to you, come to you, come to you. That's the way. Very good.
Oh, super.
She's doing a flying changes behind the post. I can't see them.
Right. Now that's sort of the thing I think with him is keep the canter enough through the turn. Yeah. And then
Oh, she's loving it. She's keep cantering.
don't push longer at the jump. Yeah?
Right.
And that's probably a similar thing with your guy too.
But this guy's he takes your contact. He actually takes your hands. You know, in a way that Sammy does not.